It's a 1971 Chevy short wide. We've had it in the family since basically it was brand new. It actually started off life as a city service truck in Kansas, so working pipeline stuff. My uncle bought it from an auction in Kansas back in the 70s, and we've had it ever since. Actually, we just changed the motor. We've got a 383 in it that we finished up Tuesday of this week.
Yep.
It had a small block Chevrolet in it, 350 before, and we had bought a car that he bought, and it had a 383 in it, and he didn't need that right now. So it's a pretty plain Jane truck, honestly, but you know, we did put the chrome around the windshield, some of the higher model end stuff. So yeah, it's all been replaced on there. We pretty much do everything ourselves. You know, the favorite thing is probably just all the looks you get on the highway and all the thumbs up, and you know, it draws a lot of attention wherever you go with it.